TXCAMLITE4K series camera operating instructions. 1. Connect the HDMI output on the camera to the touchscreen using the HDMI cable. 2. Connect the USB interface of the camera to the touchscreen with the USB Type A to Type C cable. 3. Insert the supplied SD card into the camera SD card slot. 4. Connect power adapter to the camera and switch it on. After startup, the touchscreen will display real-time image of sensor. Clicking the left side of the touchscreen, the camera control panel will display for the control of the camera. The functions are explained as follows. The integrated control interface of TXCAMLITE4K series camera mainly includes the camera control panel on the left of the video window, the measurement toolbar on the top of the video window, and the image adjustment toolbar on the bottom of the video window. 1. Capture image and save it to the SD card or USB flash drive. 2. Record video and save it to the SD card or USB flash drive. 3. Make preview video freeze. 4. Browse images and videos in the SD card or USB flash drive. 5. Compare image with the current live view video. 6. Zoom in the video window. 7. Zoom out the video window. 8. Comprehensive settings. 9. View the version of XCamView. 10. Click the measurement toolbar to measure. 11. Click the image adjustment toolbar to adjust the exposure and gain, white balance, color adjustment, sharpness, and denoise, flip and light source frequency, anti-flicker. Note, it requires 12 volts/2A power if 4K touchscreen is used. There are two sets of connection lines of 0.5 and 1.5 meters for different connection modes of camera and touchscreen. For more detailed instructions, please read the TXCAMLITE4K camera manual.